Yo ninjas and Kaio, welcome to this new series of daily videos to level up your power moves. I will upload one video per day from December 1st until December 24th. In each video I'm gonna show you some exercises or a little combo to improve your power move. We're gonna start easy in the first episodes so you can still follow them if you are a beginner as well, and we are gonna increase the level step by step. The goal of this 24 video program is to improve your power move control and create new combos and opportunities with the power moves you have. Beside this program, I'm also gonna post daily on Patreon from December 1st to December 24th. In my daily Patreon videos, I'm gonna focus on how to be more creative with the power moves you have and with the combos that I'm teaching in these tutorials. So make sure to join my Patreon, link in the description, and let's start! You're gonna learn how to fake the AIRFLARE part 2. If you haven't seen the previous video, I recommend to check it out because this one is gonna be a little bit more advanced. We're gonna start very slowly and easily, and then we're gonna increase the difficulty of the moves. We're gonna do two new moves in this video, plus a move we have seen in the previous video. So, for the first move, we're gonna start in this position here. If you spin clockwise, you're gonna place the right hand on the floor in this way. So, right knee on the floor, right hand on the floor. From here, you wanna kick the right leg here inside. So, it's not like a flare. You don't wanna kick here, but you wanna kick inside. You kick it and you straighten the leg. From here, you switch the arm in this way and you turn in this way. Let's do it one more time. Kick the leg inside, straighten it, switch the arm and turn. You see when I'm turning, I'm straightening the left leg and I'm lifting my hips up. Straighten the right leg, switch the arm, straighten the left leg and lift up your hips. Second step, to make this move a little bit more dynamic and more similar to an AIRFLARE. We're gonna add a little jump from one end to the other. So from the right to the left. Kick. When you are here, after extending this leg, you're gonna jump from the right arm to the left one in this way. And you're gonna turn in this way, lifting up the hips. It's a little bit hard to do it slow, but if you do it a little faster and smoother, it will be easier. I'll show you a little faster from here. If you want, you can leave this move in this way, if it's hard for you already. If it's too easy for you, you can make it even more similar to an AIRFLARE and even more difficult. You can add a jump with the left leg. So, for the moment, our left foot is always on the floor. So, from here, when you kick and then after the jump, this foot is always on the floor. To make the move harder, while you are throwing and after you kick with the right leg, you can do a jump. I cannot show you slowly because it's very dynamic. I'm gonna show you a little bit faster directly. As you can see, if you lift up the left leg from the floor, most probably you will land on the right foot. So when you are here, since this leg is gonna be in the air, you're gonna lean with this one first, with the right, and then with the left. Try it until it feels very comfortable. I'm gonna show you one more time. If you want to make it even wider, maybe you can start from this position here, kind of like a flare position. The important thing is that you really kick with the right leg and that you push the hips up. And also, of course, that you jump from one end to the other. So it's not just like this, but it's a jump. So let's do the second move now. So we are gonna take the first variation of the first move, so the easier version with the left leg on the floor to make things easier. So from here, kick, change, and you're gonna land in this position. From here, you're gonna place the right hand on the floor. You're gonna go down with the right leg and do a figure 4 with the right foot over your left leg. And as you can see, I'm moving my weight towards the right arm. So again, slowly, place your right hand on the floor, figure 4, keep turning and arrive in this position. From here, you're gonna keep turning, lean the left hand on the floor and land here. And this is a ninja. You usually, in a ninja move, you can land on your elbow in this way, but you can also land here if you want. In this case, we want to land on our hand, not on our elbow, because in the AIRFLARE, we want to land on our hand. So, slowly again, kick, jump, figure 4, switch the arm and ninja. Actually, when you do the ninja, you should also jump from the right hand to the left one. Now I showed you slowly just to make you understand how it works, but when you feel a little bit more comfortable with it, you should really try to jump like an air flare. Again, from here. When you are here in this position, you should really throw the left hand and jump like this. So let's try the combo once again by jumping this time. After the ninja, third and last move, we're gonna kick this leg up, go in this position here and hook and change the arm once again. Figure 4, kick the left leg backwards, turn, keep turning in the same direction, release the left leg, straighten it and sit on your right heel. From here, jump on the left arm and hook. I'm gonna show you the whole thing very slowly. Straighten the right leg, jump, keep turning, figure 4, keep turning, ninja, bend, kick, footwork position and hook. Maybe from this perspective, it looks like when I'm doing the ninja, I'm sitting on the floor, but I'm not. From here, I'm here. You can be with your foot, the right foot flat on the floor like this, or if you want, you can be like a footwork position in this way. This is up to you, but the important thing is that you don't sit like this on the floor. The ninja is not that, but it's up. If you want to land on your elbow, same thing. Like this, but you're not sitting on the floor, you're staying up like this. So in the first move, we jump from the right to the left. In the ninja, we do the same, we jump from the right to the left. In the third move is the same, we also want to jump from the right hand to the left. So it's not just a footwork like this and then hook, but you have to make it higher and bigger. I already explained it in the previous tutorial, but for those who haven't seen it, I'm gonna show you quickly. After the ninja, here, from here, you really wanna kick up and do a jump in this way. By practicing these moves a lot, you will get used to jump from the right hand to the left hand. It's gonna be a very useful exercise to get more comfortable in the air flare jump and also in the landing part of the air flare, especially low air flares. If you wanna learn high vertical air flares or walkovers, it's different because the throw is not like this, kind of like a swipe, but it's more vertical, it's just this. So these variations are not gonna help for walkovers and for vertical air flares, but they are gonna be very useful for low air flares or for regular air flares with your arms wide. To make the ninja a little bit more dynamic, you could do the same thing as in the first move. So in the first move, we did the basic version, staying with the left leg on the floor, like this, but also the more advanced version where you jump with this leg. Same for the ninja. After landing here, when you do this, from here you can stay with the left leg on the floor, and you can just turn and jump with your arms and land in this way. But if you want to make it a little bit more challenging and this combo feels already too easy for you, you can jump in this move. So from here, when you do the ninja, when you are here, you can jump a little bit with the left leg, so you jump up in the air, and it's gonna be more useful for the air flare. I cannot do it slowly since you jump up in the air, I have to do it fast, so pay attention. You can already start lifting the left leg up when you are here. From here already you can jump a little bit and then turn and do the ninja. The earlier you turn and you jump with the left leg, the more dynamic it will be. To get more creative with this combo and with your power moves, join my Patreon link in the description. As I said in the beginning, we are going to increase the level step by step. If you want to follow this program and try these combos, maybe you can try to post your videos and tag me on my Instagram at Kaio so I can check your progress about these combos and exercises, and I will share your posts on my Instagram story. Doesn't matter if you do it fast, you can do it slowly. See you tomorrow with a new combo and new exercises. Yo ninjas!